Hi everyone.
Hiya.
So we've been thinking about what we might be able to do on the channel while we're waiting for our new van to be delivered, because we do want to keep the channel going, we do want to keep it interesting, we want to make sure that we're creating content for you which is helpful. That's always been one of the things that we really enjoy doing on the channel.
Yeah.
Now, one of the things that we've noticed, because we get to see all the stats of who watches the videos and how long they're watching them for, and how many likes they've got and all that kind of stuff, one of the things that we've noticed is that you really like gadgets, you like to understand how things are organised in vans, and we've got an idea which we think you might like, but we're going to need your help. So, what are we thinking about?
What do we want?
What do we want?
We want a van, no.
Yeah, we do.
We want you to get in touch with us and basically tell us what you think is great about your organisation, or how you sort of organise bits and pieces in your van, and what your top 5 best buys or top 5 gadgets is for your van.
Yeah.
Now, ideally, what we'd also like to do is come and actually see you, or even you could come and see us, one or the other, and we'd like to film it. Now, you can choose to be in that video or not, as the case may be. Entirely up to you. We're easy either way. In a very ideal world, you'll live somewhere near the East Midlands, because that will make it a lot easier for us to travel to you, because we do work full time, so our weekends pretty much are the only time that we have. Otherwise, obviously, you can travel somewhere near to us, but we thought that would be quite a good way to kind of do it almost as a through the keyhole, so everybody could see different kind of organisation of vans and bits and pieces too.
Let's be honest, we're all a bunch of nosy parkers, aren't we? If you've ever gone to a club meet, or you've ever, everyone wants to, can I just have a look in your cupboard and see how you've got things arranged? We've all done it, I know. And it's the only way, I think, that you get to pick up those genius little tips where you go, oh, I didn't know you could get that box from IKEA which fits there, or look how perfect that just slots in just there.
Just little gems.
Just those little gems. And
or bits of gadgets that you find at shows that you think, I'll give it a go. And actually, it turns out to be pretty much one of the best things you've ever bought, and works really well. So.
And one of the core things about this, I don't think Sarah said it, this is about the Volkswagen California.
Yes.
So, we are not losing where we've come from on this channel. It may be called Campervan Time now. It's always going to be California time in our hearts, because that's exactly where it started, and this is something we want to give back to you. So please do get in touch if you're happy and prepared for us to come and film your van, or if you want to bring it to us. And or you. More than happy for you to be in it. You can explain your van, you can talk about the things that you've found for the van, and those top 5 kind of
must-haves.
Must-have best,
your must-have.
The things which you've found, those things on Amazon where you've gone, you know what, that is going to be perfect for that, and nobody else knows about it.
Not essential, so not the
hookup cables water stuff,
and all that kind of stuff.
Don't need that.
We're interested in the interesting stuff, not the basics.
So where we brought you things like a little vanity mirror in the past, or those little knickknacks that you pick up, it's those things that we're interested in, because we know all of you have got your little favourites that you just couldn't do without. Whichever van you're going to have, whichever van you're in, you're going to want those with you. So get in touch, let us know. Email us at contact@campervantime.co.uk, and we'll come back to you, and hopefully, we're looking for what, 3-4 vans, something like that?
Yeah,
so we want to do
like
a little tiny mini series. Don't want to do loads and loads and loads, but we're really after your help, because I think we've got some fantastic people who watch this channel, some fantastic subscribers. Don't be shy. Let us come and talk to you, let us film your van, and let's show other people and give them inspiration.
If you really don't want to be in the video, that is fine.
Yeah, you don't have to be in the video.
We are not making you be filmed.
No,
if you really don't want to be.
Not at all. But do get in touch. Contact at California.
Nearly. I tell you what, it still works though, I think.
It does still work. Contact at campervantime.co.uk, and let's make it happen.
Yeah.
So get in touch.
Cheers.